Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use flight credit on American Airlines. Now this is a very quick and easy thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so that you don't miss any important steps. Now the first thing you want to do is head over to the American Airlines website, and from there you just want to look for this section that's called Travel Credit, and here we can actually learn all about it. So there is actually three types of travel credit. There is trip credit, flight credit and travel voucher. And in this video I'm going to be explaining how you can use your flight credit. So this gets issued for unused or cancelled tickets. It's valid for non-award trips. Maximum reservation is one booked on AA.com, and then you have to contact reservations to book with more than one. And it only lasts for a year, so make sure you do actually use it in time. So once you've read through all of this and you're happy that you understand it all, you can head over to the American Airlines website again. And from here, you just want to go to this bit that says Manage Trips/Check-in. And then we can click this option over here which says View Travel Credits. Now from here, what we're going to have to do is put in our last name. And then we're also going to have to put in these details as well. So we're going to have to put a confirmation or record locator. Or we can put in our 13-digit credit/ticket number. So whatever one of those is easier for you to find, go ahead and do that and click Find Your Trip. And from there, you'll see a page that looks something like this. It'll show you how much credit you've got, and it'll also give you an option to rebook the flight. So what you're going to do is click on that rebook flight option, and then once you get to the end of the payment, it will actually ask how would you like to pay for the trip, and it will give you one of the options as flight credit or trip credit. And since we're trying to use our flight credit on American Airlines, we're going to choose Add Flight Credit, and then from there we can actually pay for that flight using our flight credit. So that's exactly how you can use flight credit on American Airlines. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.